Hi KG1, how are you? Today we will make a revision for the farm animals. So, tomorrow is your exam. Please concentrate and study well. I'm sure you can do it because it's very easy. You can get a high mark and you can get a full mark even. Okay? Let's start. Animals that are raised on a farm, such as cow, donkey, and other farm animals. Okay, this is the meaning. Let's see the farm animals. Who are they? Cow, in Arabic we call it بقرة. Donkey, in Arabic we call it حمار. Horse, in Arabic we call it حصان. Goat, in Arabic we call it معزة. Chicken, in Arabic we call it دجاجة. Sheep, in Arabic we call it خروف. Okay, you can do it, study well, and see you tomorrow.